We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Dell B2375. We've had a few customers reach out to us and ask us how to replace the toner inside the printer. And it's an extremely easy process, so we just want to make a quick video, just kind of walk you through it real quick. Nothing to be worried about or concerned on how to do it. It's, like I said, extremely simple. So all you have to do is, if you're getting that low warning on your toner or replace toner warning, make sure you have a backup ready. If you don't have a backup available, please give Onyx a call and we can help provide that for you. Once you have your backup toner and it's all unpacked, ready to go, what you're going to do is here on the left side, right towards the front, you'll see a button. You're going to push in on that button and you're going to lower this front door. And then you'll see a big handle kind of located right here in the front. And all you're going to do is lift and pull straight out. And you've successfully removed your toner cartridge for the printer. It's that simple. So once you have your new one and it's all been unpacked and ready to get put in the printer, again, you're just going to make sure it kind of sits in there, push straight in until you feel it click down into place. You can give it a little tug just to make sure it's nice and firmly seated in there. Go ahead and close the front cover. Give the printer a second to initialize and come up to back to its ready state. And after that, you should be good to go and back in the print. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to give Onyx a call. Or again, like I said, if you don't have a backup toner available, again, reach out to Onyx. We can help provide that for you. Other than that, I hope you have a good day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.